Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Coming along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
This one's gonna be a pleat.
Nice pleated tee.
Pleated zigzag.
Pleated zigzag. A wigwag, right?
A wigwag on a v-neck. A wigwag V.
Wigwag V. I don't know if we've ever done one of those.
We're just getting into these,
That V-neck lifestyle.
yeah. Okay, let's see.
Almost there. Look at that. Wait, got all sorts of new tees on the way and all sorts of new garments. I've been busy. We've been shooting some videos for some other stuff we got going on. A whole bunch of things about to be happening on the channel.
We are, should we go ahead and say it?
Yeah, why not?
About where we're going?
Well, I mean, we're moving, first off.
Yeah,
so
we're moving, everybody.
We're moving to the forever home location.
The compound.
The compound, so
We're moving to the compound.
the last move y'all are probably going to see us make. Hopefully this is the last move we're going to make for a while. And, yeah. So we're going to film the process of getting everything ready, possibly. And
That's why we've been a little bit busy. Cause it's on a piece of land that's not really developed.
yeah, no one's ever lived up here before, so
We're
a long ways outside of the city.
A long way. A really long way.
So we're getting everything ready, getting the land prepared, the septic system prepared and all that.
Get a power pole.
Yeah, whole nine. And we're gonna film all this stuff and what it takes to do all this stuff. We'll walk you through all of it. Be something fun for y'all to watch, I guess, if you're into that. If not, don't watch it. Kind of band it up.
Yeah, there's a lot that's about to go into that. We gotta build a driveway. We went and marked our spot so they could make us a septic tank out there. We've been trying to get the house. It's a very, very long.
It's gonna take a whole
Single
lot
wide.
of doing, but we'll get into all of that in a future video.
Yeah.
To the dyeing rack?
To the dyeing rack.
Let's go. One more?
Yeah, one more. So asleep.
There we go.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go. Don't trip, Dad.
I don't have my little stool out here like I normally do.
You want to go grab it real quick?
I probably will once you start.
Okay. So,
I'm probably gonna get down in here, try to get it all on camera. Go ahead. A little bit of that. What is that? Navy blue?
Navy.
Navy blue.
I don't know if I'm going to have room for all these colors, but we're sure going to try.
Alright. Turquoise?
Yes.
Turquoise.
I need to keep them out. And we'll do some glacier on the top side.
Glacier blue. We love glacier blue.
Do it like this so I remember what order we're in. And maybe some Cayman Isle.
Cayman Isle green. Which really looks quite blue.
Okay, so then we're gonna do some lime green here on the bottom.
Lime pop.
You know, add a little bit of color to this.
So, all told, on this one we have. Okay, fighting the camera here, people. I don't know what's going on this time. So, I think it cut off about midway last time. We'll say it one more time. On this one, we have Cayman Isle green, navy blue, glacier blue, turquoise, and lime pop. What a beautiful range of colors.
Absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of a turquoise on this underside.
More turquoise. Gotta have the turquoise.
And a little bit of lime pop to finish her off on the bottom.
Oh, lime pop. Look at that beautiful tie-dye.
Okay. Oh,
Right.
fucking bucket.
Oh yeah, you need your bucket. We had to put the bucket inside due to an emergency, people. The drip tray. Catching that drip inside of our house.
Let's
Go middle or bottom or top shelf. Right? To the drying rack.
We'll go top shelf.
Top shelf. For a premium tie-dye where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.